Deep relaxation is a practice to fully take care of your body in order to take care of your mind. When we are able to allow our body to rest, we are also able to allow our mind to rest. We are often running, constantly going, constantly doing something. And it can be very easy to feel exhausted. But for right now, just for these next few minutes, give yourself permission to rest. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to be anything more than who you are just right now. Go ahead and find a comfortable posture, whether that is laying down or seated. And as you find a comfortable posture, allow your body to fully settle. Allowing your body to just get heavy and settle into the space. We don't have to hold on to anything at the moment. Whatever kind of worries, insecurities, regrets, or sorrows, we can just set them aside just for now to allow our body and mind to just rest. Breathing in, I'm aware that I am breathing in. Breathing out, I'm aware that I'm breathing out. In and out. Breathing in, I'm aware of my inhale, following it from beginning to end. Breathing out, I'm aware of my exhale, following my breath from beginning to end. Aware of my inhale as the air flows into my nostrils, the back of my throat, into my lungs. And aware of my exhale as the air flows from my lungs, the back of my throat, out through my nostrils. Following my inhale from beginning to end, and following my exhale from beginning to end. Now I bring my awareness to my body, aware of any kind of tension, any kind of holding, grasping, pain sensation that may be in my body. Breathing in, I bring my awareness to my head, aware of any kind of sensation or tension that's in my head. Noticing any tension in my face, my forehead, my eyebrows, my eyes, all the little muscles around my eyes. Noticing any tension in my cheeks, in my jaw, my lips, my tongue, my chin. Breathing in, I'm aware of any tension in my face, and breathing out, relaxing. Now bring awareness to my neck and my shoulders. Aware of any tension I may be holding in my neck and shoulders. We can hold a lot of burdens upon ourselves and carry them on our shoulders. But for now, just for these next few minutes, I allow myself to set those burdens aside and allow my neck and shoulders to just relax, letting go. Breathing in, aware of any tension in my chest, around my heart. We can hold a lot of tension, a lot of barriers, a lot of tightness around our heart. We try to protect ourselves, shield ourselves. But for now, just in this moment, I know that I'm safe. I'm okay exactly as I am. And allow any kind of barriers or tension around my heart to relax and open. Now bring awareness to my abdomen, any kind of tension or tightness in my abdomen. We can hold a lot of fear, a lot of anxiety. And so in this moment, breathing in, aware of any tightness in my abdomen, and breathing out, letting go. In this moment, I know that I'm safe. I'm okay. Bring awareness to my arms, my upper arms, my lower arms, my hands, my fingers. Aware of anything I'm still holding on to in my arms. Breathing in, aware of any tension I'm holding on to in my arms. And breathing out, letting go. I allow my arms to get heavy. Breathing in, I bring my awareness to my legs, scanning my lower body from my hips, my thighs, my knees, my calves, ankles, feet, toes. Noticing any tension that I may be holding in my legs. Breathing in, aware of any tension in my legs, and breathing out, relaxing. I let go of any tension I'm holding on to, and I relax. Now scanning my entire body from head to toe, noticing any tension anywhere in my body, any pain, any sensation. And when I notice, I send my awareness to that area, and I just embrace it. I hold it tenderly, with kindness, with compassion. I don't have to make the tension go away. I don't have to fight it. I don't have to change it. I can just be aware of it and just hold it very tenderly with my awareness, with kindness. It's okay. It's okay to have tension, to have pain, to have challenges. But it's also okay to have peace, relaxation, freedom. Breathing in, I notice any other tension, any other darkness that's still in my body. And I bring to mind a color that represents healing, rejuvenation to myself. And I imagine a light coming from the universe, shining down on me. A light the color of healing. As this light from the universe shines on me, I allow myself to be engulfed, embraced in this healing light. This light is limitless, and it penetrates every single pore, every single crevice and cavity in my body. My body allowing itself to absorb all of this healing light. And this light is like a gentle rain. Whatever kind of darkness is still in my body, I imagine this darkness just being gently washed away by this rain. The darkness just trickling down my legs, out through my feet, into the earth, and the rest of my body just absorbing every single ounce, every single drop of this light. To where now I'm glowing on the inside. And then whenever I'm ready, I can seal this light into my body to where I can carry it around with me wherever I go. This light of love and healing for myself, but for also other people whom I work with, whom I serve. And whenever I'm ready, I can go ahead and open my eyes, coming back to the space.